Tesla just made several major announcements over the last few days that have owners furious about what the company is planning to do. They're removing features, they're raising prices, they're partnering up with some interesting companies. People are very, very upset. I've got the details on that. Plus some brighter news. A huge update is rolling out to your car right now with some awesome new features. A super secret Elon mode has been discovered inside of Teslas that has some pretty shocking features that no one saw coming. And also the Model 3 continues to get more discounts that make it cheaper than it's ever been before. Right now is like the best time and the worst time to buy a Model 3. As always, there is just so much news happening in the wild world of Tesla, so I'm going to break it all down, and stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm finally doing a giveaway. I want to say thank you to you guys and give away some free money, so stay tuned to the end for more details on that. But first, let's jump into the news. And a huge thanks to T-Parts for sponsoring this video. They're the makers of some of the most incredible accessories for your Tesla to transform it on the inside and the outside, and they've got a special discount code just for you guys who watch my videos, so stay tuned for that, how you can save some money on some of the best Tesla accessories on the market. Let's kick things off with some news on software updates, because there's a couple of cool things to talk about here. One is that a new major update is rolling out to customers around the world now. And a couple of cool features here are packed in that you will want to know about. The first one here is the ability to view all of the different cameras around your car. And what it looks like is that you can go under sort of the service tab and be able to see the different cameras around your car and have access to more cameras while you're sort of in the camera view, the camera app inside of your Tesla. And also there is a totally new revamped service mode. So if you want to get in there and dig into settings and see why something's not working or sort of see more of the intricacies of your car, there is a new service mode that you can use to do that. Again, to get to that, you want to go to the name of your car, sort of that page there, press and hold on screen, type in service, and then you'll be entered in a service mode. Though I will, of course, say do this at your own risk because you can screw things up in service mode. But if you do, when you cautiously look around, that is how you enter the all-new service mode. Also, this update is or adjacent to the update that is bringing vision-based park assist to all hardware 4 vehicles. This is coming to the Model S, Model X, and the new Model Y, of course, as the Model 3s do not have hardware 4, but more on that in a moment. It has been very debated in the comments about whether this vision-based parking system is good or bad. A lot of people have said that it is not accurate at all, so use this very cautiously, but it is now rolling out 2 new vehicles. So if you did get like a Model Y over the last couple of weeks and you actually want to be able to measure the distance from your car on the curb, that should be now rolling out in an update that should be at your car now or should be there in the next couple of days. We're also learning from prominent Tesla insider / hacker Green the Only that there is a special mode built into all Teslas called Elon mode, and it's really unclear as to exactly how you access this or what this is, but the 2 big features of Elon mode are A, sort of a less aggressive braking that should sort of eliminate the phantom braking incidents that many people have experienced, and also Elon mode comes with no driver assistance nags. You're not getting that autopilot nag. You don't have to give the steering wheel pressure or press a button. There is no nag in this special Elon mode. Now, it's unclear on whether or not Elon mode is using the internal cabin camera to see what you're doing and sort of making sure that your eyes are on the road, and if that's the case, it's not going to nag you, or is it a special mode where just autopilot nag is turned off? Very little is known on Elon mode, besides the fact that it is built in and it is accessible to people outside of Tesla if they know the right people. So as we get more info on Elon mode, I'll let you know, but kind of a crazy hidden feature built in that basically gives your car superpowers, but only available if you know the right people at Tesla. Also, some surprising news of the week, and that is that Rivian has announced that they are partnering with Tesla and transitioning to NACS, the Tesla plug, on their vehicles, which will give Rivian owners of their SUV and truck access to Tesla's supercharger network in the US and Canada. Bit of a surprise move. Everyone thought Rivian was going to be sort of one of Tesla's fiercest competitors who is going to remain to the CCS stronghold, but that has been sort of foiled now by the sort of good announcement that has changed. Again, though, good news and bad news. Many Tesla owners are excited to see more companies adopt NACS, but also many are now concerned that you now have more competition at superchargers. You now have more demand on these stations. You could see longer wait times. You could see more downtime as you have this more demand. And speaking of that, we've got some good news and bad news when it comes to Tesla Tesla pricing and discounts, but let's start with the good news first, because there's a couple of good pieces of news you got to know about. One is that we are closer than ever to the Model 3 refresh launch, the Project Highland refresh model. I mean, multiple sources are saying that we're just a matter of weeks away from seeing this, so that's going to be really awesome to see. And because of that, Tesla is doing everything they can to get rid of their current existing fleet of Model 3s, and they are throwing around some crazy incentives and discounts to get rid of these cars. And if you do want a Model 3 and you're not all in on the stockless future and you like the current design, there has never been a better time to buy than right now. Now, whether you decide to go with the Model 3 or Model Y, I can promise you one thing, and that is that you're going to want some great accessories to pair with your Tesla to really enhance it, to elevate its experience to a new level. Great Tesla accessories can completely change the look and feel of your car, and if you're looking for some of the best Tesla accessories on the market and you're looking to buy them all in one place, then look no further than this video's sponsor, and that is T-Parts. T-Parts is your one-stop destination that has all the best Tesla accessories you're going to want for your car in one place. They've got custom floor mats, game controllers, wheel covers, and so much more. T-Parts literally has it all, and all these accessories are custom made and custom designed for your Tesla on the inside and the outside. For example, take a look at this beautiful carbon fiber spoiler that T-Parts makes for both the Model 3 and Model Y. The install here is super simple. You can do it in under 5 minutes. Everything you need is going to be in the box, no drilling or anything required. It just sticks on the back, and it can totally transform the look of your Tesla, make it look more sporty, more aggressive, and it gives you the look of a performance Tesla without the performance price tag. T-Parts also offers some incredible accessories for the inside of your Tesla as well, like this custom glass roof sunshade that dramatically cuts down on the heat on the inside of your Tesla, especially right now as we're getting in those summer months. It's really hot here in Southern California. I want to really reduce the heat inside of my Model Y, so this has been fantastic, built really well, super easy to install. And I also really love their awesome wireless game controller that is specially programmed for the Tesla. It features a really beautiful, really unique translucent design, so you can sort of see the intricacies of the tech inside. It's really comfortable to use, has 7 LED modes built in, and lets you sit back and relax and comfortably game right inside of your Tesla. There's also some excellent silicone cup holders specifically made for inside of your Tesla for that perfect fit to ensure your liquids are not going to escape and go anywhere. And last but certainly not least, I really love this frunk LED strip from T-Parts as well. Custom made for the frunk of your Model 3 and Model Y. It's gonna install super easily and is gonna light up the frunk and make it super easy to see inside, sort of when you've got some dark visibility outside. And that is sort of the big theme of T-Parts accessories. They offer an incredible variety of really well made, really well designed, extremely high quality accessories that are perfect for the inside and outside of your Tesla. They're here to elevate your Tesla experience, take it to a whole new level, and just make your Tesla your own. Make it look different, feel different, not make it a dime a dozen. T-Parts makes some amazing Tesla accessories, and also they've got an awesome coupon code for you guys, my audience, watching this video as well. So if you use the coupon code Robert10 at checkout, you can get 10% off your order. Big thanks to T-Parts for that. Again, that coupon code is Robert10 at checkout to get 10% off your order. So check out T-Parts, the link down below. Check out all the amazing accessories they offer and give your Tesla a huge upgrade with some amazing accessories from T-Parts today. Couple of things to note here. One is that the MSRP price on Model 3s has come down significantly over the last few months, so the base car price is substantially lower than what it was. Also, all Model 3s are going to qualify for the $7,500 federal tax credit. That was not the case for the base model and the long-range model, but now that decision has been reversed, so full $7,500 off with the federal incentive. Also, Tesla is offering free overnight charging to Texas-based Tesla customers who get a Model 3, so that's going to be awesome to see. They're also offering a discount in inventory of a couple $1,000, so now you're stacking discounts plus $7,500 federal tax credit plus thousands more in discounts off of their inventory fleet. And then Tesla just announced that anyone who takes delivery of a Model 3 before the end of June is going to receive 3 months of unlimited supercharging if they're based in North America. So the incentives on the Model 3 right now are absolutely crazy to see. Of course, you've got to weigh this with the basically unconfirmed rumor that the new Model 3 is coming really soon. But again, if you're not all in on that, you're looking at MSRP discount. You're looking at overnight free charging if you're in Texas. You're looking at unlimited supercharging for 3 months, unlimited free supercharging for 3 months, and also some inventory discounts as well of thousands of dollars. You're looking at some pretty great stuff here. And also, if you missed my previous video, I just ran the numbers on local incentives as well, and you can get a couple of $1,000s extra through those local incentives too. And I'm not a Tesla employee. I'm not trying to sell this. I do honestly think that if I was in that position, I'd probably wait for the newer model. But if you are looking to get a Model 3, now is a really great time to do so. I'll leave my referral link down below. You can get, I think you can get like 3 months of FSD through that, and you can get like some other goodies. If you're gonna buy a Tesla, I'd appreciate it if you hit the link down below, because I get some stuff, you get some stuff. It's a win-win for everybody. But these discounts for the Model 3 right now are just absolutely insane. And I want to make sure you know about them, because if you're in the market, now is a phenomenal time to buy. I should also say that we've heard some new reports over the last couple of days that a refresh is coming to the Model Y, but it's different from what we've heard before. We had heard a couple of months ago from Reuters, from the same reporting on the Model 3 refresh, that a Model Y refresh was coming as well. It was codenamed Project Juniper, and it was basically going to be the Model 3 refresh, all those design cues on the inside and outside transplanted over to the Model Y, and that sort of made sense, and we heard it was coming in the fall of 2024, but now we're hearing that there may be something different coming before that. A new report signals that at least an interior refresh, a pretty significant interior refresh, is coming to the Model Y and could be coming as soon as next year. And the timing on this is very interesting. Again, we're hearing that a major overhaul for the Model Y is coming, but there's also the possibility that that got pushed back. So instead of Tesla waiting, 2 years to do this, they might bring the refreshed interior of the 3 over to the Y, or maybe they do something different. I'm not really sure. There have been some price adjustments to the Model Y that I'll get into in a moment, but at least an interior refresh could be coming to the Y sometime next year. The Y already has hardware 4. It's already got the latest and greatest Tesla internals. It might not get a redesign on the outside, but an interior redesign, maybe some new screens, new steering wheel, ventilated seats, all that stuff could be coming as early as a couple of months from now in early 2024. And like I just mentioned, there is a little bit of bad news here on the Model Y. Tesla just raised the price of the base all-wheel drive model here in the US up $250, which is a little interesting. And also, a more interesting move is that they now no longer offer white seats as an option for the base Tesla. So the price went up and white seats are no longer an option. There have actually been rumors over the last couple of weeks that Giga Texas actually is not making any white seats for the Model Y, and this cheap Model Y, the standard range one, is exclusively made at Giga Texas. So maybe there was just some issue with the seats. They decided, let's just not even deal with it. Let's just go black seats for that model. And that's why that decision was made. As for the price increase, it's a little unclear. Obviously, I think Tesla wants to push people to the long range model. But as of right now, it's unclear about that. Though the price, has gone up. There's no debating that. But the bad news does not stop there, because I'm sorry to give some more bad news to all Tesla owners. I know many of you guys in particular are going to be heartbroken by this news, and that is that a Better Route Planner, a super popular site/app/tool, has been acquired by Tesla's rival, and that is Rivian, which means the fate of the site might not include Tesla owners in the near future. Now, if you haven't heard of it before, a Better Route Planner basically does what its name suggests it does, and it's a better route planner. It works with Teslas and other EVs, and is a really powerful way to plan your road trips and get way more detailed insights into stop, and you can control the route and do different things. It's been really powerful. It's been really popular. A lot of people prefer it to what Tesla has built in as their tools for road trips, and this is some sad news. Electrek broke the news on Thursday. The company had been acquired by Rivian, and while there's still no official word as to the fate of the site yet, or how it could or could not change, many are wondering if this will sort of continue to be a site for everyone, or if Rivian is going to acquire this website and then fold its tech into Rivian's platform and make it exclusive just to Rivian EVs. We've also got some new Cybertruck spottings over the last couple of days, this time now with a camo wrap being driven around the San Francisco Bay Area. As of right now, it looks like the sort of final design of Cybertruck is locked in, as a release candidate, or at least a production candidate, should be arriving later on this summer, with full-on production starting by the end of this year at Giga Texas. So Cybertruck Cybertruck is getting closer and closer to becoming a reality. We've already gotten some last minute insights into the interior. Maybe we're going to get a round steering wheel. Not exactly sure what the final design of this is going to look like on the inside and the outside, but we do know that it is coming, and there's sort of this version is ready to go. And despite Tesla's efforts, this camo wrapping is not going to hide the fact that this is unapologetically the Cybertruck, and it's coming really soon, actually, which is a very nice surprise. Also, some potential bad news, but also some good news here if you are watching this video, is that Tesla is increasing the price of their wall connector up to $475, so that price keeps slowly going up. But now the Tesla wall connector can be bought at different places, so you no longer have to buy from Tesla directly. You can also buy it from Best Buy or Amazon. I've seen different listings for both. I even think that Best Buy actually has it in store. So I'm going to leave some links down below where you can go to get this. Usually what happens is Tesla raises the prices on their store, but the other retailers don't follow the price increase. So if you want to get a wall connector, check the link down below, save some money and get it from Best Buy or Amazon. Also, on the topic of charging, Tesla just released a new video in which they claim they've solved range anxiety and basically confirmed some rumors we had heard a few weeks ago about some new additions to Tesla's software. Leak code had suggested that Tesla was working on a supercharger forecasting feature where your car would automatically look ahead on your road trip and predict how busy a station was going to be and then adjust accordingly for that. So if a super busy station was coming up, maybe it would reroute you, or maybe it would take you somewhere earlier or later. That was sort of rumored and we never heard about it, but this behind the scenes video Tesla posted just a couple of days ago basically confirms that this is now a part of Tesla's route planning feature. We also got an interesting peek at Tesla's internal supercharging data, which gives them real-time insight into every single sort of facet of information of stations all around the world, which is really cool to see. And we also get a bit more info on how Tesla's trip planner works. Basically, you enter in your destination in the car, and the car takes into account not just the distance you're going, but the wind, the elevation, and the supercharger availability along that route to make sure that your trip is going to go as smooth as possible. And again, according to the Tesla employee in this video, all of these tools means that they have solved range anxiety. That is a bit of a bold prediction to make. Not sure if I'd say the same thing, but Tesla says that's the case. And it is cool to get a little bit of a behind the scenes look at their supercharging info, and to see all this and how the magic comes together is really cool to see. I'm curious, what are your thoughts on the Tesla news for the week? Your thoughts on Rivian's interesting acquisition, your thoughts on the discounts, the Model 3 refresh coming soon. Let me know your thoughts on all this stuff down below. Also, I want to give a big thank you to you guys. I have really appreciated your support. I've seen a couple of you guys who comment on every single video, who are always supportive, who always take the time to say something nice. And to that, I say thank you very much and I appreciate it. And I want to start doing regular giveaways on this channel. And I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it. I want to give away some physical Tesla accessories. I've got a bunch I want to give away, but shipping and logistics is a lot. So for the sake of simplicity, in this video, I'm going to be giving away an Amazon gift card. I'm just going to send you a code for like 25 bucks and you can spend on whatever you want. Spending on something for your Tesla, spend it on something for your house, whatever you want, it is yours. All you've got to do is a couple of things. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, so leave a thumbs up on the video down below, and then leave a comment saying anything. Say what you like about Tesla, what you don't like, do you have a Tesla, what do you've got, what are your thoughts on the news, and then just leave your social handle, Instagram or Twitter or whatever, so I can contact you, because YouTube does not give me a way to contact you directly, and I don't want someone to pretend to be you and get the wrong info. So just leave some kind of info down below. If you want to leave your email address, that's fine. I just don't want to get you guys on any kind of spam list. So leave some sort of way for me to contact you. And I'm going to do a random drawing in the next week. So leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and in a week I'm going to randomly pick someone and I'll contact you and say, hey, you won, and start to make Amazon gift cards giveaways, a little bit of a common thing, just to sort of give back to you guys. And again, I want to give away some physical Tesla accessories because I have a bunch that I want to give away, but I've got to figure out the logistics on that first. But at least for this one, everyone should be able to, you know, as long as you can accept an Amazon gift card, you can accept this giveaway. So enter down below. I appreciate it as always. Thank you so much for your support. If you made it this far in the video, drop a thumbs up in the comments too, like a little thumbs up emoji. That lets me know you watched the very end. I appreciate you guys. Thank you as always. I'm Robert Rosenfeld, and I'll see you all in the next one.